This video will explain the process of submitting a drainage concern. Start by entering the website URL portercountystormwater.org. This will take you to the department's website. Find the blue banner across the screen and select the Report a Concern button. This will open a new window for the Stormwater Concern reporting form. Step 1 is to enter the address of the specific property. This is to ensure our department receives the exact location of the drainage concern. Select the correct address from the drop-down and hit the search button. If you do not know your parcel number, click on the Assessor's Property Lookup page link. You can find your property with this interactive map. The base map can be changed from basic map to satellite imagery to help find the correct location. A window will pop up with the property information, including the parcel number. Copy the parcel number and paste it into the text box on the report page. Enter your first and last name for the follow-up contact information. Enter your phone number and don't forget the dashes. An alternate phone number and email address are optional for this contact information. Again, please enter the street address of the property with the drainage concern. This is a triple check to ensure we have the correct location properly marked. The next step is to enter detailed information about your drainage concern. Where does this issue occur? Share specific details such as how often this issue happens or how long the issue remains. Share your diagnosis. Is there a history with this issue? All of these details can greatly help our investigators understand the situation. The form has both text boxes and multiple choice questions to accurately describe these details as well. The final step is to attach photos. We encourage photos from all stages of the issue, from previous years or recent ones that can display the longevity of the issue. A picture is worth 1,000 words, they say. As you hit submit, please understand that this concern is now sent to our department and will be reviewed as soon as possible. A large rain event may cause several of your Porter County neighbors to also submit a concern. Please allow at least 7 days for our department to receive, assign, and follow up on this concern. If you have any further questions, please call 219-465-3530. Thank you.